If your cursor suddenly turned into a razor blade icon in CapCut PC, don't worry, that just means split mode is active. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn it off and get back to normal editing in just a second. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips and editing fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. The fastest way to switch out of razor blade split mode in CapCut PC is to press the A key on your keyboard. As soon as you press A, CapCut will switch you back to the selection tool, and your cursor should change from the razor blade icon back to the normal arrow cursor. This is the easiest shortcut to remember, especially if you accidentally activated split mode while editing. Once you're back on the selection tool, you can click and drag clips normally without cutting them. If for some reason the keyboard shortcut does not work, there is another simple way to fix it. Look at the toolbar just above the timeline in CapCut PC. You should see the arrow or selection tool there. Click that tool once and CapCut will return you to normal selection mode. After that, make sure you click select if needed so the arrow tool stays active. This will stop the razor blade split cursor from appearing and let you continue editing as usual. So to recap, if CapCut PC is stuck in razor blade split mode, just press A on your keyboard or click the arrow selection tool above the timeline. That's all it takes to switch back and keep editing smoothly. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.